What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to get back to it, bring you all kinds of videos related to detail. Today we got GMC Denali 3500. We got full interior detail, exterior detail, but you see the title on this video, so let's get to it. All right, so today I'm going to walk you through the steps I take in order to get WeatherTech mats as clean as I can get them, make them look new again. First, I start by spraying my APC heavily on the mat. Can someone guess which APC I'm using? Comment below. Tell me what you think it is. After letting the APC dwell for a minute, I'll give it its first rinse. Make sure not to get too close with the water since the pressure could cause damage. I'll then apply more APC. Remember, comment below, let me know what APC you think I'm using. Now I'll use my cordless drill with a drill brush attachment to give the mats a deep scrub. You can find a set of drill brushes on Amazon for $15. Now you can give the mat its final rinse, let it dry, and be done with it. But I like to take the extra mile and add one more step. Lastly, I'll use my McCulloch steamer. The steamer will get into the pores of the mat and pull out any remaining dirt and grime the drill brush wasn't able to get. Now you're ready for your final rinse. After the mat is completely dry, I like to apply a light coating of Meguiar's Hyper Dressing for a natural look. And there you have it, new again WeatherTech mats. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.